What's up guys, Track Palmer here. If your ABS sensor light is on, your ABS is bad, or your wheel bearing is bad which is affecting your ABS sensor. It could also be that the electrical wires for the ABS sensor is broken. You will need an ABS capable scan tool to scan for the fault code. If you don't have one, lots of auto parts store will scan it for you for free with the hope that you will buy the ABS sensor from them. I didn't have a scan tool, so I went to AutoZone and the results showed that the right front wheel ABS sensor triggered the fault code. I ended up buying their brand because it had a lifetime warranty. You should also inspect each ABS sensor to see if any of the wires are broken. If that happens, you might be able to reattach the wires by soldering and the problem will be resolved. The scan tool will tell you which ABS sensor is bad or has the problem. There are ways to test ABS sensors with multi-tool, but I won't be doing that. The ABS sensor on this vehicle right now is a garbage aftermarket brand that only worked for a week. Let's replace this. Break the lug nuts with a 19mm socket. Lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Place the wheel under the vehicle for safety in the event the jack fails, or just use jack stands. Turn steering so you have access to the 10mm bolt holding the ABS sensor in place. Remove the bolt. This sensor came out easily, but I'm almost sure that yours might be stuck. You might need to use tools like a pick or drill bits to remove it. Just take your time. Use a clip removal tool to release this clip. Then remove this one. Next, remove this one. I need now to get access to the plug. I'll remove this clip to get this cover out of the way. There is the plug. Undo the final clip, then unplug it. The old ABS sensor is off the vehicle. Now reverse all these steps to install the new ABS sensor. Check to see if you have the correct part. Next, secure the first clip in the opening here, then connect the plug. Insert this clip, then this one, then this one. First, test to see how snug this ABS sensor fits in the opening here on the wheel hub. If it's tight, you can slightly sand this down. Then add anti-seize to prevent it from seizing up in the future. Now I can torque this 10mm bolt to 6 foot-pounds. Reinstall the clip for this cover. Reinstall the wheel. Torque each lug nut to 80 foot-pounds. If replacing your ABS sensor solves the problem and you drive around the vehicle for a bit, the ABS light will auto reset. Or you can take the vehicle to an auto parts store to have them reset the ABS light for free. That's it guys, thanks for watching. But before you go, hit the like and subscribe button. See you on the next one guys.